Hey everybody, I've got my Hobonichi order for 2019, so I'm going to be doing this unboxing. It comes in this really cute orange with the print of the little like faces on the box. It's really cute. I've really been enjoying watching everybody else's unboxings and seeing what everybody else chose to get. And just as a heads up, this isn't my entire order. I actually ordered the rest of my stuff from an Etsy seller, and I don't know if I'll do an unboxing or I'll show that at some other point. Yay! Oh my god, these cover on covers are so beautiful. So this first one, this is the Hide and Seek in the Forest, and this is the cover on cover for the A5. I'm getting a Hobonichi cousin Avec, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And this whole series is so pretty, and it made me actually buy every single size that this this like print is offered in. I know there's a variation in each of them, but I had to get them all. And my covers, yay! All right, let's take everything out. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so I went with the black covers because I thought it would be really great for these particular cover on covers to kind of pop on here, and I love black accessories. It's just like my thing. Oh, it's such a pretty blue on the inside. I will take all of these out of the plastic in a second once I go through everything. Oh, wow. This is the Weeks cover. Oh, this one is so pretty. So beautiful. I've never actually had a real Hobonichi cover or any cover on covers, so I'm so excited to try these out. And then I just got a plain one. This one is, I think I'm going to use this for when I store my Hobonichi from this year. When I archive that, I'm just gonna put this on it. And I have the A6 size in the same black cover with the beautiful sky blue inside. And if this is any indication, yes, I did get an A6 size Hobonichi. Oh my god, this thing is so tiny. Oh, I love it. I'm really excited to try this new size. I've never ever had any kind of A6 sized anything. So this is going to be just the cutest setup. And then I got the cover on cover for A6 as well. I just love the style of these illustrations. It is so beautiful. And seeing this one on the A6 size is actually my favorite illustration of the three. And so this was kind of the deciding factor in me just purchasing an entire A6 set. And I will do another video just explaining the entire Hobonichi lineup for next year and what I plan to do with everything. I am going to include both of my orders, and then I'll just go through everything because all of my weeks are in that second order. Give me a second and I will take everything out of the plastic. Okay, I am back and I got everything where it goes, and oh my gosh, I love this so much. So here is the A5 size, and I have the black cover with the cover on cover, and I absolutely love it with the black background. And if you know me even a little, I prefer black. And I put a Midori MD notebook in the front here, and then I have my current Hobonichi Cousin Avec in the back here. This is what I use for homeschooling. These both fit beautifully in there, and I wonder if I'm like just gonna start using this. And I have a traveler's notebook for this, and I just wanted a different option to be able to switch things up since I don't collect traveler's notebooks in the A5 size, and I really wanted, you know, an original Hobonichi cover. I just wanted to experience this, and oh God, I just love how these match. This is the A6, the same black cover with the illustrated cover on cover, and it just has these little animals just hidden all in these pictures. And I love me some birch trees too, so this was just calling to me. And this is wonderful. I put the little tiny A6 book in here, and this is absolutely adorable. I'm so excited to be working in this. These are really non-intimidating page sizes, so I'm just so pumped to be in this. I wish I could start on it right away. And then I have the weeks, and what I did here, I have actually my current Hobonichi weeks for this year in here until I get my new ones, and it's pink, my current Hobonichi, but what I did was I just put black cardstock underneath the cover because I need them all to match, and the Hobonichi weeks didn't come in a black unless you got the sneaker mega weeks, but then there was a notation on there that said the sneaker versions were not made to be used with a cover on cover. So I just DIY'd a little thing here so that I could fully enjoy it and have everything match and just be beautiful. It was like everything I was hoping for. And the freebie was another one of these Uni Jetstream tri-colored pens. I really like this one. This was just a little too bright for me. Not that I'm actually using it. I don't prefer this ink, but I do love the color choice and the design of the pen this year. It's got the clear tip and then a clear little section right here so you can see the ink colors. So I really like that. And then this guy just like, I don't know what's happening here. The like Not Scary Bear paperweight. What is happening with him? It is really cute though. And he's a hefty little guy, so I think he will come in handy. I don't know if I'm just going to give him to my kids or something. But yeah, he works well. So happy to have him. Happy to have the pair of freebies. And then this came with the Hobonichi A6 planner, and so adorable. I'm gonna keep this and maybe cut it up or do something with it. It's so cute. Look at that guy. So happy Nothing Special Day. I love that. So very, very cute. So happy with this order and how everything turned out. The shipping was so fast. I ordered on September 1st on release day, and I ordered like just a little over an hour after the site went live, and I got it today, and today is September the 11th. So I know Japan was having some pretty big weather issues, and so I wasn't, you know, hoping for this anytime soon, but here it is. I'm so happy with it. And that is everything. And I will be back with the additional Hobonichi items, mostly the weeks, and I will show you those and just talk about my lineup for next year. And I'm excited to see what you guys got. And I have a video already recorded that I will post on Sunday, and it'll be a what's in my pen pouch. And I went ahead and recorded that because here on the East Coast of the US, we are coming up on a Hurricane Florence. And so we are actually going to be housing like almost 14 people like tomorrow. So I just got a little head start because I'm going to be a little bit busy. But if you are in the Carolinas, I hope you stay safe, and I'm thinking of you, and I will catch up with you guys again soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited to talk to you guys in the comments. Bye!